Ooh, she's cute, tiny. She's snuggly. We're awake, and we're gonna make some jeans. New jeans. Show the camera what you're looking at. We're getting socks. Oh, I want. We match, we don't copy. Oh, coffee first. Latte. Wow, this is first. Oh my gosh, there's so much tofu in here. Delicious. Yeah. Ikura, onigiri. Wow, the ratio is so good. Salmon in here too. Trying that tempura. Very sweet. Yummy.
And we're live.
Hi everybody, we are live from Natural Lawson's. It's already been a day. Quite a day. It is 1:12 and we're waiting for our taxi to go get our nails done.
Yes.
We ate, we went to Betty Smith this morning.
We did. That was really fun.
It's been rough. It's been a rough morning because we stayed out till like, 4:30 last night?
Yeah, we stayed out. Yeah, did not get into bed till 4:30.
It's been rough.
Yeah.
Our taxi is turning the corner. So, yeah, it was fun. We got our Betty Smith jeans. I'll show them the bag.
Ooh,
she's cute.
So cute. They're so nice.
To our next spot.
Yes.
But wanted to check in. I'm alive. We're alive. Hoping to have more energy later after we get our nails.
After we get our nails.
Show them your nails.
This is what we're starting with.
Yeah.
Nothing.
Yeah. It's only up from here, right?
Yes.
Liddy.
Yes.
Thanks
All
for
right.
watching. Bye.
Bye.
Marshmallows. Like the jelly kind. Michelin women. That's what I'm saying. I feel like it's forming to your foot. Indecisive. You have to let me post this.
They look.
Yay! Yay, we match. Friends who match. Okay, we're gonna roll this one for Hibiki. And I want to get either this one, octopus, or the negitoro. So, let's get it. Oh, that one didn't like. All right, we're not getting this one. What is it meant to be? Can I go without? Nope. Whoa, mine is sweet. On this episode of Is This Metal? Rating, overall rating.
7.5.
Yeah.
I also think it was like a 7 out of 10.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, sushi solid. Everything was pretty much solid.
Yeah.
8. My fish was good. I wish it was bigger.
Yeah, I think your fish was pretty small.
Mm-hmm.
7. I've had better tuna. But I love that we can
But
fit
it's
in
still
this
pretty
cute
good.
little cubicle.
Vibes are a 10.
I feel like if
always
there were
well.
other people here, music playing, it's because it's Sunday night. So
Yeah.
I'm just happy we were able to
Right.
have a nice meal, no wait. And we're close by the hotel, so we can go back. So
Mm-hmm.
see you later. Bye. I'm looking for my ice cream. Skincare hand cream here. Gloves. Meiji Kakao Sakura. Maybe, maybe not. I'm exhausted. I'm ready to go. But I don't gotta want something. I don't see my ice cream. I'm totally getting one. Holding in a cup. Yeah. Should I get one? Oden in a cup. What to get? What to get? These are crazy though. They're like literally like. That's the one I got at Rhino Hookups and then it wasn't good anymore.
These are some big boobs.
This one looks good. My Shayla has found my ice cream.
Let's get it.
Alright, we can go now.